In today's video, we're diving deep into a thought-provoking question. Are we focusing on the wrong climate solutions? While many discussions center on renewable energy and carbon emissions, we will explore how crucial elements like biodiversity, urbanization, and agriculture are often overlooked. Join us as we reassess our current strategies, examine the roles of policy and public awareness, and highlight the innovative approaches needed to truly address our climate crisis. Get ready for a fresh perspective that may change the way we think about sustainability and climate action. 1. Understanding the current climate solutions. Currently, the prevailing solutions to climate change revolve around renewable energy, carbon offsets, and electric vehicles. Renewable energies like solar and wind power are often championed as the primary answer to reducing carbon emissions. Meanwhile, carbon offsets are marketed as an easy way for companies to appear environmentally responsible. Electric vehicles, too, are gaining popularity as they promise to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. However, while these solutions appear promising on the surface, they are not without their limitations. For instance, the production of solar panels and wind turbines still involves significant carbon emissions, and the mining of materials for electric vehicle batteries poses environmental challenges. 2. The overlooked importance of biodiversity. One of the most critical but often overlooked components of combating climate change is biodiversity. Healthy ecosystems, such as forests, oceans, and wetlands, absorb carbon dioxide naturally. These ecosystems are like nature's own carbon sinks. Yet, deforestation and habitat destruction continue unabated, reducing the planet's ability to self-regulate its climate. By focusing more on preserving these natural habitats, we could potentially slow down climate change more effectively than by solely relying on technological innovations. 3. Rethinking urbanization and infrastructure. Urban areas are major contributors to global carbon emissions. The way cities are designed can drastically affect energy consumption and waste production. Instead of merely focusing on greening our energy sources, we should also be rethinking urban planning. Creating greener cities with efficient public transport, sustainable buildings, and lots of green spaces can significantly reduce the carbon footprint of urban areas. In fact, cities like Copenhagen and Amsterdam serve as prime examples of how urban planning can be aligned with environmental goals. 4. Food production and its hidden impact. The global food industry is a massive contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, yet it often escapes the spotlight in climate discussions. From deforestation for agricultural expansion to methane emissions from livestock, the food industry has a broad environmental impact. Transitioning to more plant-based diets, reducing food waste, and promoting sustainable farming practices can have a profound effect on reducing emissions. Encouraging local food production can also cut down on the carbon footprint associated with transporting goods over long distances. 5. The role of policy and governance. Effective climate solutions require strong policy and governance. While technology and individual actions are crucial, they must be supported by robust governmental frameworks. Policies that incentivize green practices and penalize harmful environmental behaviors are essential. However, if policymakers focus on the wrong areas, these efforts can be wasted. It's vital that policy decisions are informed by sound science and that they address the root causes of climate issues rather than just the symptoms. 6. Public awareness and education. A significant barrier to effective climate action is the lack of public awareness and understanding. Many people are unaware of how their daily choices impact the environment. Education can play a pivotal role in empowering individuals to make informed decisions. Campaigns that highlight the importance of sustainable living and expose the limitations of popular climate solutions can drive meaningful change. By fostering a culture of environmental responsibility, we can create a collective movement towards more effective solutions. 7. Innovation and adaptation. While current solutions have their merits, innovation in climate technology remains crucial. However, innovation should not be limited to technological advancements alone. Social innovations, like new ways of community living and resource sharing, can also contribute significantly to climate goals. Moreover, adaptation measures, such as building resilient infrastructure to withstand climate impacts, are equally important. Balancing innovation with adaptation ensures that we are prepared for both current and future climate challenges. 8. Conclusion. A call for reevaluation. In our quest to combat climate change, it is essential to periodically reevaluate our strategies. Are we investing in solutions that genuinely address the problem? Or are we merely opting for the most convenient or popular choices? By asking these questions, we can ensure that our efforts are not in vain and that we are truly paving the way for a sustainable future. The path forward requires a holistic approach, one that integrates technology, policy, nature, and human behavior harmoniously.